been walking through this forest and touching trees, and so many of the trees here are silent, and it turns out that, and I didn't know this because I was wondering why, but it turns out that a lot of this area has actually been logged, and we have such a big impact on the environment. And in areas that have been logged, the trees are really quiet. So, and then I've been just touching trees as I go, and I touched this tree and it was awake in comparison to all the other trees. And it turns out that this tree I took photos of probably 2 years ago, and I didn't realize it was the same one, but it just shows you the impact that we can have, because this tree instantly connected with me because it remembered me from last time. So we can wake forests up, we can wake trees up, we can change the world and change the environment by consciously connecting. And it was this tree that remembered me first. So, and I'm hugging this tree and going, wow, this is such a beautiful, heartfelt hug. And it's because I've connected with this tree some time ago, even though I forgot. It's so beautiful, and it just shows me what an impact we can have. So go out and connect with your environment and give it love, because it will send it back to you.